Here again we're given the general form of a sequence, and we're asked to determine if this sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. Our general term is 2n minus 3 divided by 2n plus 1. To determine if the sequence is arithmetic, we need to look at the difference between consecutive terms. That is, we want to find a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. To do that, we'll have 2n minus 3 divided by 2n plus 1, that's the nth term, minus 2 times n minus 1 minus 3 over 2 times n minus 1 plus 1, that's the n minus first term. This is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 5 divided by 2n minus 1. We need to get a common denominator to subtract these two fractions. So we're going to end up with 2n minus 3 times 2n minus 1 minus 2n minus 5 times 2n plus 1, all divided by 2n plus 1 times 2n minus 1. If we do the multiplication and simplify this, we'll see that the difference between the consecutive terms is equal to 8 divided by 4n squared minus 1. This is not a constant, and so we can say that this sequence is not arithmetic. Next, we're going to check to see if the sequence is geometric. So again, here is our general form. To determine whether this sequence is geometric, we need to look at the ratio of consecutive terms. That is, we want to check a sub n divided by a sub n minus 1. In this case, we'll have 2n minus 3 divided by 2n plus 1. All of that divided by 2 times n minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2 times n minus 1 plus 1. If we invert or clean up this denominator and then take the reciprocal and multiply, we'll have 2n minus 3 divided by 2n plus 1, so that's our numerator here, times 2n minus 1 over 2n minus 5. We go ahead and do that multiplication. We'll just write this again as 2n minus 3 times 2n minus 1. That's our numerator now. And our denominator will be 2n plus 1 times 2n minus 5. This is not a constant. Therefore, we can say that this sequence is not geometric. So it turns out that this sequence is neither arithmetic nor geometric.